Good morning friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in previous sessions we were discussing about determinant and that too up to the second exercise, and we have came up to the last part. We are into the last part of the second exercise. So that two problems I have given as for work for yourself. So I asked you people to try those two problems, that is last two objectives of the exercise, right? So here what was the first one? That is 15th question. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then what is determinant of K into A? What is determinant of K into A? That was our first objective. Okay. So how to do this one? Okay. Fine. So let assume any matrix. As I said, you assume some general form. Okay. Let A is equal to A1, A2, A3, or I can write as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, this is our matrix A. Because they have given it as 3 cross 3 matrix, so I have assumed a 3 cross 3 matrix. So then what will be determinant of A? So I can write it as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is about the determinant A, which we have got from the matrix A. So now what is our question? Our question belongs to K into A, right? So in order to calculate or to get the value of determinant of K into A, I should know the value of matrix K into A. As determinant A, to form determinant A, I have made use of matrix A. So to form determinant of K into A, I need to get a matrix of K into A. So from this what I can say, K into A is equal to K. What is A? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Right? So now this is K into A. I will take K inside. See, there is a difference between when you are multiplying a number to matrix and a determinant. When you are multiplying a scalar to matrix, when this scalar comes inside, it will get multiplied to each and every element. That is for matrix. But it is not the case for determinant. When K comes inside for determinant, it gets multiplied to either any row or any column. There is a difference. What is the difference? When K comes inside the matrix, it gets multiplied to each and every element of the matrix. And similarly, when anything is multiplied to each and every element in the matrix, when it goes out, so only that particular K will go out, right? But when any number is multiplied to any row or column, you can take it outside for the determinant. Okay. So here this can be written as K into A11, K into A12, K into A13, K into A21, K into A22, K into A23, K into A31, K into A32, K into A33. Okay, so this is my K into A matrix. Now what will be my K into A determinant from this? K into A determinant can be written as KA11, KA12, KA13, KA21, KA22, KA23, KA31, KA32 KA33. So now K is multiplied to each and every element of the determinant. So K can be taken from individual row and individual row or individual column, right? So but if it was a matrix, only K comes out, but it is a determinant. K from first row, K from second row, K from third row, that is K cube will come out, right? K cube into A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Right? So this is how it will come out. Now, what is this A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33? This is determinant A. What is determinant A? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is not the same thing here. Definitely it is the same thing. So I can replace this by determinant A. Right? So which one will be the right answer? K cube into determinant A. Fine. So this is how this problem is solved. This is a very important question for your CET part, right? CET and any competitives, right? This may come in JEE also, but in my, it is very favorable question for your state competitive exams, state CET exams. Okay. So if this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, I got K cube here. If it was a 2 cross 2 matrix, then only this part will be there, A11, A12, A21, A22. Then K from first row, K from second row will come out. What remains? K square into determinant A. If it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, then it is K cube into determinant A. If it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, it is K square into determinant A. So this is important. Directly you can mark it. If it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, then determinant of K into A will be equal to K cube into determinant A. If it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, then determinant of K into A will be equal to K square into determinant A. No need of solving, directly you can write it. It applies for any value of A, provided A is a square matrix. Okay. So fine. So you pause the video here for a moment and make a note of this. So friends, I hope you understood that 15th one. So based on that, you can generalize that one. You can take the note here. This is applicable to anything. Okay. So what is given here? If A is a square matrix of order n cross n. N cross n means n may be any value, right? So n may be 1, n may be 2, n may be 3, anything, right? So in previous case, what was n? N was 3. So we had 3 cross 3 matrix. Then what is K into determinant of K into A? It is given as K to the power n into determinant A. So previous problem, it was 3 cross 3 matrix. So what we got here? K to the power 3, that is K cube into determinant A. And as I said, if it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, then it will be K square into determinant A. So that is if n is equal to 2, right? Then determinant A will be, then determinant of K into A will be K square into determinant A. Here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay? Where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. So this is very important note. You can write it down. So don't miss this one. This is very important note. Okay. So that was about that concept. So coming to last problem, which of the following is correct? So determinant is a square matrix is first option. Second option is determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Third one, determinant is a number associated with a square matrix. And fourth one is none of this. Out of 4, any one must be correct. So coming to first one, determinant is a square matrix. Is it right? Is determinant a square matrix? See, we have already seen determinant is totally different from a matrix, right? So determinant is representation of some number, right? From determinant we can get some number, but from matrix we cannot get any number, right? From matrix we cannot get any number. We cannot solve the matrix to get a single number, alright? So matrix is just a way to represent the equation. Okay. So determinant is a square matrix is not possible. Second, determinant is a number associated to a matrix. So definitely determinant is a number associated to some matrix, but what should be that matrix? That is, previously we have seen A, right? If A is a matrix, then what will be determinant A? Then you will get some number, some magnitude, some value will be obtained from that. But what is that number? To which matrix it is associated, right? So determinant is number associated to a matrix is not exactly right. So it should be for example, if it is 3 cross 2 matrix, if A is 3 cross 2 matrix, then you cannot find the determinant here. You cannot find the determinant here. What is the condition? Condition for determinant is the matrix should be square matrix. Okay, so this condition is also not possible. Determinant is the number associated to a matrix is correct, but which matrix? It is not any matrix. If I simply state that matrix, so it means that every matrix, whether it is a rectangular matrix or square matrix, everything will come. But as we know that determinant cannot be found out for a rectangular matrix, so this is wrong. So third one, determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. This is 100% right. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. So to square matrix we get a number, we get from square matrix we get a determinant and we can calculate the value of that. So definitely determinant is a number associated to a square matrix, right? And none of this will never matter. As we got the answer for the third one, so none of this is not possible. So I hope this concept is very much clear to people. So now what you do is you go through the thing. Last two problems we have solved. I have made a short video, right, to solve that one. In upcoming classes we are going to start with the area of triangle. How to solve the area of triangle making use of the determinant. Is that fine? So I hope both the problems are very much clear, right? So it was necessary to me for me to make this small video because of this note, right? So this was very important part of your competitive exams. So don't neglect that one. So definitely you will get one question from this part. Okay. So as of now we'll finish this session here and we'll take a leave. Okay. Thank you. Take care.